Look, listen, and repeat. Robe. Robe. She put on her fluffy robe after taking a relaxing bath. Sweatpants. Sweatpants. He put on his sweatpants for a workout. Pajama. Pajama. Before going to bed, the children changed into their pajamas. Nightgown. Nightgown. A cotton nightgown is comfortable to sleep in. Camisole. Camisole. She bought a new camisole in her favorite color. Lingerie. Lingerie. The boutique offers a wide selection of lingerie. Bra. Bra. She always buys a comfortable bra. Bandeau. Bandeau. She wore a bandeau under her off-the-shoulder top. Panties. Panties. She bought new panties in different colors. Thong. Thong. She chose a comfortable cotton thong for everyday wear. Shapewear. Shapewear. The shapewear helped her feel more confident in her dress. Boxers. Boxers. These boxers are made of breathable fabric. Undershirt. Undershirt. He wears an undershirt under his shirt. Swimsuit. Swimsuit. She bought a swimsuit with a bright print. Swim trunks. Swim trunks. He put on his swim trunks and went to the pool. Socks. Socks. He lost one of his socks in the laundry. Tights. Tights. She bought her daughter new colored tights. Stockings. Stockings. The stockings were trimmed with delicate lace. Test yourself. What is the picture of? Pajama, robe, shapewear, camisole. Robe. What is it? Nightgown. Which picture shows sweatpants? This one. What is it? Camisole. What is the picture of? Undershirt, bandeau, panties, stockings. Panties. Which picture shows tights? This one. What is it? Swim trunks. What is the picture of? Swimsuit, pajama, lingerie, thong. Pajama. Which picture shows shapewear? This one. What is it? Swimsuit.